What's gonna work? Teamwork. What's gonna work? Teamwork.
Oh, I'm getting bolts.
My bolts.
Instead of, I'm gonna set my pride aside and start letting myself suck. I'm not gonna suck on purpose. I'm just saying, I'm not gonna get angry about it anymore. I'm gonna embrace
sure about
the
that?
suckage.
You're never ever gonna get angry
Ever
about
again.
sucking ever again.
Mark my words.
Get off.
Nice.
Oh, I'm
Shoot
gonna die.
someone over.
Now you
Shoot
shouldn't
someone
follow
over.
me.
Oh.
Oh, I tried to zap myself back to you, but you were all
Running.
jumping too.
Kill that one on the left.
Yeah, it's too late. Too late. There's no
No,
time.
it's not.
See
It's
ya.
not.
Oh,
fuck.
Freezer!
I did it.
You were saying it was too late. No, it's too late. It's too, we're all gonna die.
No, there's no chance.
Freezer.
Ha!
Yeah,
Launch.
there you go. You learned it.
Launch. No, don't jump. No!
You will have
What the hell launched me?
It is so much more fun not
to the
being in
edge.
charge. Like barking orders at everybody, making sure that we continue properly. Ben, you're in charge. I'll follow your direction.
Okay. We could just run. I'm gonna run.
Me too.
Good strat.
I followed Ben.
The best commander ever.
Failing.
Everyone in the trenches, run!
Retreat.
Thank you, Captain Ben.
No, don't hit those.
Don't hit.
I don't like the whip.
Change to your whip, Freezer. If you all do it, it makes a big deal.
What do I care?
Oh.
What? What's wrong, Ben?
Riches.
You gonna shame me into cooperating?
Damn it.
Somebody
Where are
save
you,
me.
Freezer? Oh.
Oh crap.
Oh boy.
Help us
Wow.
out.
Someone's suffering.
Stop clicking the bolts first. Oh, we gotta get one of those electricity guys. You put him in! There it is. Bring him over here. Hey!
What?
Hey.
You almost made me fall off.
All right, guys, get over here.
Who's
Step back.
trying to
Everyone,
lead?
get over here.
This guy's dead. He's dead.
Whoa.
Oh, God.
Let go of me! Let go!
Baby.
I'm not gonna get angry about it anymore. I want.
was good teamwork.
Damn it.
That
He
looks,
applauded your teamwork too.
Oh no.
I don't know what's going on, but
Grab away, Bruce.
am I?
Well, you're getting points. You're not kicking ass, but you're not.
Everyone shoot him.
You're not.
Nobody knows about it yet.
No, it's
Fuck!
Shit. I didn't get
God.
anything this round.
Yeah! Shit. Co-op points.
Woo.
Deacon again!
Deacon!
What the shit?
I love that guy's picture.
How have you won every round? But I'm
Round?
still I'm still winning overall.
How
You win
how
so
have
many
you
rounds.
won every round?
Oh dear.
I'm Ben. I'm a fucking idiot.
Oh.
Idiots to the left.
Oh.
That's just a friendly jab.
The village was a lot nicer, but you know what ran us out of the woods.
What? No, that was mine idea. God.
The bitch.
damn
More
you
like
guys.
mine.
You thought nobody saw it?
Yeah.
That's
No
a
one
shame.
saw that thing on the screen to share.
Are you just following everyone else, Fraser? Because there's. Yeah.
Oh! Sorry, I just care more about the cooperation than everyone else.
We all know
Damn
that's
it.
a lie.
This is continuing. Zoom.
Screws. Whoa, Fraser.
Oh, fuck.
Were you watching your character?
Yes. I thought
trying to
that
go
you
for a
pointed
screw.
at screws.
Yeah, there's screws back here, guys. If you come
But which
back.
way is... This isn't even gameplay over here.
This isn't. What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Your points haven't increased.
It looks like I'm getting them.
Sure does.
I'm not gonna get angry about it anymore.
I don't think
That
you
one.
did. Well, you did get 90 points for something.
Ammunition acquired.
I'm in the lead.
You tried really hard. You were quiet. And you were
Yeah,
focusing, and you didn't save your.
I turned down the
teammate.
funny by a little bit for a while,
Yeah.
so I could concentrate.
Yeah. Oh,
You assholes! You fucking asshole!
That was a
I
pretty
got back.
dumb thing to do, guys.
I got back.
It's possible that our gravity's too much.
Maybe we have to go low.
Oh, okay.
Keep going down?
Sweet.
There you go. You just needed to use teamwork. That's why it took a while.
Fuck you, Ben. I don't know what's going on
Somebody
here.
has to suck that head and spit it into the...
Someone just gotta happen.
Yeah!
Someone jump into this.
Yeah!
Jumping in.
YouTube highlight. I'm gonna make money.
Death count. Fraser, 30 or 27.
I think I'm-
Kyle, 21. Ben, 20. Deacon, 19. You three are all
Ooh.
really close.
But it's like golf where the lower score wins.
Yep.
In that case,
Yes, it is.
yes, it is.
It's very astute of you.
Fuck. I gotta get rid of you, Kyle. Oh, I was gonna bail you out because I saw that stuff in the background.
Oh,
Son of a bitch.
wow.
Oh!
Motherfucker!
You tried so
Oh,
hard.
that's a shame.
Most deaths.
Sweet. Go, Kyle. You guys are being selfish now.
Oh, Gobbler!
Dead.
Well, who
Who
can't
got
be selfish when you got
I'm
jerks
out of,
like
I'm out
these
of all
playing with
weapons.
Nice
No,
whip.
no, 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 no!
Better step it up, guys. This Wombat is taking home all the bolts.
Fuckers! No! There's fucking bolts! No! No!
Oh,
no!
the bolts! So many bolts.
Are you alive yet, Fraser?
Nope.
Guys, you need to teamwork here.
We need to do teamwork.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I have the wrong weapon out.
Go, go, go. Make it, no.
Oh, really need a gun if there.
All right, what weapon we want to use?
It doesn't matter as long as you use any weapon and teamwork it, it'll blow it up.
We're just not using
Teamwork's
that
not
thing.
enough.
Yeah, we're not using
We're
a
doing.
teamwork weapon yet.
What's gonna work?
Team Smirk.
They keep abandoning me.
Oh.
That's what's happening.
I don't think that's what's happening.
We're not your parents.
Oh, he said, what's
I
that
got a
rattle?
cold here. D's and B's.
Someone suck me.
Suck and blow!
Suck me. Suck me.
Ah!
Oh,
We actually almost did do that.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, it's a critter mini game.
Ben?
Oh, look who's the asshole now.
Ready?
We get to use our goblobber here, I think. Fuck. What?
Thought I could make it.
Holding up the gag.
So did Fraser.
So.
How do I get my goblobber out again?
Grab it more!
I have no ammo, that's why. I get it.
Oh my god!
Damn it, we killed them.
Ah, son of a bitch.
I was doing both of them.
I ran out of goblob ammo. That was why I didn't know.
Fraser, go. Yeah.
I like how we're all killing the bad guy. Ooh, look what I'm doing now.
Assholes! Oh,
This one's mine.
Oh shoot.
Away from my pal.
Nice! That was sweet.
did I get him?
I think I did.
Fuck do this.
All right. Kill the things.
I'm getting the gun.
Okay, thank you.
Oh shit. Oh!
Nice.
Power through that concrete.
You always bank too hard. Stop banking. Oh.
Oh,
Bail, 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 bail.